It's about time that somebody steps up and calls BS on all of the lies that these fake FBA gurus tell you. I have compiled a list of some of the worst things that they say to try to convince you to buy their course. What's up guys, welcome back to another video about Amazon FBA and the truth behind starting an Amazon business. I'm sure many of you have seen these famous gurus on YouTube or other platforms trying to sell their courses and claiming to be experts at Amazon FBA, when in reality, their business isn't doing nearly as good as they claim, and on occasion, they don't even have an Amazon FBA business. Soon, you will see past their lies and realize that while there are real experts giving good advice, there's a lot more sharks that know nothing about FBA and are just making money from the course they sell to you. Okay, let's get right into it with lie number 1. FBA is a no-effort passive income scheme.
Here are the top 3 ways to make passive income with Amazon FBA and how complete beginners earning $100 to $700 a day with no experience. More with that after the intro.
It should go without saying that starting any business requires dedicated time and hard work. Amazon FBA is no exception. That doesn't mean FBA isn't a good business idea. It just means it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. When starting an Amazon FBA business, you need to dedicate a lot of time and effort into research, product development, market analysis, sourcing, listing optimization, inventory management, and so much more. You need to work on it daily, spending as much time as possible to make the best brand and product that crushes your competitors. Yes, it is true that you can outsource things to VAs like customer service, account health management, things like that. But when you're starting out your Amazon FBA business, you as the owner need to be fully participating in every step of the process. Okay, so the second lie is that you can turn a couple $1,000s into $1 million overnight.
Of me explaining today exactly how you can turn your $1,000 into $1 million selling products on Amazon.
This is arguably one of the worst things that they say. Back when Amazon FBA started out, yes, you didn't need as much of an investment to begin, but that's simply not how it works anymore. Even back then, if you only invested $3,000 into your business, you wouldn't have enough cash flow to scale your business fast. You could scale it eventually, but it would take a long time of reinvesting 100% of the profit. Nowadays, competition is so much higher, and $1,000 to $3,000 is not enough to break into any market. Amazon is a pay-to-win game, and the more money you throw at your business, the higher chance you have of selling at the top of the market. It's very difficult to start an FBA business nowadays with less than 30K. You need 3 to 4 months of inventory, top-tier image quality, tools and software to handle market and keyword research, a budget for advertising spend and giveaways, and so much more. Yes, it is true that you can turn a startup FBA business into a business generating $100,000 a month in profit, but it doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't happen by investing $3,000. The more money that you invest, the faster you will succeed. And let me tell you something, Amazon is all about speed. The more products that you sell in a small time frame, the more you will be organically ranking on keywords. The more that you organically rank, the more sales that come, and so on, and it's just a snowball effect after that. Speed is your best friend with Amazon. So I hope you can see that you need a lot more money initially than these gurus make it seem. They want you to get those warm fuzzies so that you go ahead and buy their course, and then they go on their way. They don't care about you or your business or your success. Okay, let's take a look at the next lie. All you need is a winning product.
The top 10 winning product list of January 2024 that I just dropped has winner after winner on it.
There is no such thing as a magical winning product that takes away the need for strategic launch plans and advertisements. The type of product is not as important as your strategy for launching it. If you give the same winning product to a beginner and an experienced seller, the expert will always win. You need to know what you're doing, so educate yourselves before picking a product and know how to launch a product properly. This is not to say that the product itself is not important. Of course it is. The market, the quality, etc. all come into play for your business. But a perfect winning product is not on its own enough to be successful. Alright guys, those were the top juiciest lies that gurus tell you. I want to mention that I'm not saying FBA is a bad business model. In fact, I think it's arguably one of the greatest and least risky ones out there. You have limitless opportunities with Amazon FBA, and the ceiling for growth is endless. You just need to start out with the right information and strategies. Education is important in any business, and that's why I want you guys to get the right information and to learn the difference between a fake guru and an experienced seller who knows what they're talking about. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned something. And well, if you didn't, check out one of my other videos where I go over all the different secrets to run an Amazon FBA business. I'll see you guys in the next one.